Hello guys, uh, with you is Evans Korir, and I would like to take you through AutoCAD. I believe that the engineering students, mechanical, electrical, at times land survey, might at one point need to use AutoCAD. And before I start, maybe I would like to tell you that AutoCAD has got several versions depending on the year upon which they were improved. As for me, I'm using AutoCAD 2024, and that's the version which I'm going to take you through. So as you can see my desktop, believe you can see right at the bottom left of my screen, you will be able to realize that we have AutoCAD 2024. So to open it, you need to double tap on your or you need to double click on your mouse. Okay, let's wait as it is opening. It might take some time, but it needs patience. It needs patience. Okay. Whenever you open your AutoCAD, you'll realize that this is its default settings. So to start a new drawing, you need to click on new to start a new drawing. Remember, all these are the drawings that I've drawn maybe some other time back. So these are other drawings that I've drawn, and so to open a new drawing, I believe you can be able to see where my cursor is, and this is new. So you click on that, then this is the default setting of your AutoCAD. You'll realize that whenever you open your AutoCAD, you will be having you will be having the X and the Y coordinates. That denotes that you'll be drawing in 2D. So whenever you open your AutoCAD, you realize that it is in 2D. So, and that's its normal default setting. So you need to ensure that down here it is 3D modeling. For survey, they normally prefer to be on drafting and annotation. So, but as for us, let's utilize 3D modeling. Then for any 2D drawing, you need to have the coordinates as X and Y. So whenever you open your drawing, ensure first that you set the units, because we know the units in our drawing can vary. Normally you might find that for us mechanical engineers, we normally use millimeters. So ensure that your units are in millimeters. So without wasting much time, let's proceed. So you don't know where units is, you can type, and you'll realize that your screen, with what you'll be seeing on your screen, you'll be able to see that we are going to find units. So units, then you press enter. Then you realize that our units are in millimeters. The length type is decimal, precision is 0.000, so precision we can as well put it as 0.0. Then millimeters, I believe everything here is sorted. Then you press on OK. Then we also need to set our drawing limits. You remember that while you are drawing in your first year, second year, you've been using an A3 exercise book, which always has a measurement of 297 by 420 if I'm not wrong. So maybe preferably we might use that, or we can decide to use an A4 size, which is 297 by 220, because finally at the end of a drawing you'll be told to print your papers or print your work in an A4 size paper. So let's utilize 220 by 297. So you can as well write here, you can type limits, then enter. Then our first corner should always be 0.0 to 0.0. That is our origin, 0 to 0. Then our topmost region should be 297 by 220. So our origin is like that, so we only press enter. Then our topmost region, maybe you can put it as 297, 220, enter. Then our limits will be set into that. So before starting any drawing, ensure that your units are in millimeters. Then later on, confirm also your drawing limits, so that at times you might find out that you can draw something, then later on you try to locate your diagram and you find out that your diagram has vanished. So maybe your limits are the units that you used were very much larger than what we needed to have. So ensure that you've checked on your drawing limits. Again, you should be able to see, you'll realize that down here we have something known as a command, and this is what will always guide us in whatever we do in our workspace. The command line should be our guidance. Whatever you do, make sure that you are looking at what is happening on the command line. Okay, so let me stop at that point, then go to another video where we will look at the other tools that are found in AutoCAD. Thank you.